In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Xbox Elite controller not turning on. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you notice that when you try powering on your Xbox Elite controller, nothing happens, then this could be due to various reasons. I'm gonna present multiple reasons and solutions in this video. So, the main reason why this happens is because the controller isn't properly charged. So if you have the older models of the Xbox Elite controller, usually you will need to use batteries. So remove the cover at the back of the controller and then insert the needed amount of batteries. Usually these are going to be two AA batteries. Make sure that you insert them in the correct position, and once these batteries have been inserted, try powering on the controller again and see if it works. If you are sure that the problem are not the batteries, then you can move on to additional steps. And also, if you have the newer model, you won't actually have to use physical batteries. You simply have to plug it in with a USB cable and make sure that it is sufficiently charged. I highly recommend letting it charge fully to 100% to rule out any possibilities of this being battery-related problems. Now, depending on how damaged your Xbox controller is, you might also have to get a replacement battery. These can be found officially on the Microsoft website, and you can take it to an official repair shop or do it yourself. If your battery is old, maybe it isn't retaining charge, you will actually have to replace it, so keep that in mind. Besides this, one of the simplest fixes that people will use is to plug the controller into a console. So you plug the controller into a console using the provided cable. After this is done, you power cycle your console, so power it on and then power it off with the controller connected, and turn on the controller as it is plugged into the console and then see if it works. As long as you power it on while it is plugged into the Xbox console and you restarted it twice, it should be detected and power itself up. And after it has been powered up, it will remain like this. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Xbox Elite controller not turning on. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.